Curious about how much support a floating dock can provide? At Aquamax, our floats come in two optimal sizes, a 16-inch float and a 20-inch float, perfectly engineered to offer the ideal balance of buoyancy and stability. For over 45 years, Aquamax has been a trusted name in the industry, and we've perfected these sizes to suit any floating dock project, whether it's for a serene lakeside home or a bustling commercial marina. What's the difference between a 16-inch float and a 20-inch float? Our standard floats and even most commercial docks are 16 inches, so a 24 by 48 by 16-inch float provides 500 pounds of flotation and roughly 12 inches of freeboard. Freeboard is the height from the top of the dock to the water level, so a 16-inch 6-float kit with 500 pounds of flotation would hold 3,000 pounds of weight. Of course, you want to include the deck weight in that, and depending on your applications on how many people you believe will be standing on the dock, you may consider a 20-inch float. Each 24 by 48 by 20-inch float is good for 600 pounds of flotation and roughly 16 inches of freeboard. So you decide, 16 or 20 inches. We pride ourselves on providing the best floating dock experience possible. Our floats are commercial grade and made to last. Aquamax, built by boaters for boaters.